Sir, can you tell us about shell method? Here we have the function x squared between 0 and 1, and we want to revolve it around the x-axis. For shell method, what we're going to do is we're going to take a tiny little length of this, and notice that our little tiny width would be in terms of y, which would be our dy. So we know we're going to be integrating in terms of y. Now, if I revolve this little space all the way around the x-axis, I would get a cylindrical shell. Now, notice if I take the cylindrical shell and I cut it in half and laid it out flat, we would have a rectangle. Now, the height of this rectangle would be the circumference, which is 2 pi r. In order to get the radius, we go up a length of y. So we get the circumference is equal to 2 pi y. Now for the length, this is going to be the entire length of 1 minus the little length of x. But remember, we're integrating in terms of y. So here we can solve for y by taking the square root, and we get 1 minus the square root of y. So here we have the area of this is 2 pi y times 1 minus the square root of y. Now remember, we're finding the volume of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take every single cylindrical shell between 0 and 1 and multiply it by its tiny little width, which is dy. From here, we can go ahead and integrate like normal, and this gives us the volume.